Hello, listeners. Welcome to Open Studios Pakistan. My name is Bushra, and this is Hafsa. And today we are here to talk about what Open Studios Pakistan is. Um,
So I would like to introduce myself first. My name is Hafsa Moeen, and I did my bachelor's from IBS. Then I went on to do my master's at RUFA, Rome. And now coming back, I run my own studio. I have my own practice. I also teach at my studio. And we initiated Open Studios Pakistan. It's a concept that is I saw in Rome, and we kind of got on a call together and we decided it's something that's much needed in Pakistan. Now over to Bushra, let her introduce herself and then we'll carry on.
Hi again. My name is Bushra, and I'm a visual artist by profession, and I run my own private studio practice. And it's been 4 years, 4 fun years of experimenting, doing fun stuff. And Hafsa and I, this one fine day, not actually day, but for months actually, we were doing this back and forth when she was in Rome, and she was like, I've discovered this really cool thing here, and we don't have it in Pakistan. And even when Hafsa would visit in her holidays, she was like, "Yeah, this is missing in our art scene." And there's this
Gap.
that why is no one doing anything about it? And I was like, okay, Hafsa, you finish your thing. When you come back, then we'll just probably work it out and stuff. And
I mean, there are open studios that happened in Karachi with VM Art Gallery, or Umaina Khan got together a few artists and did an open studio in her own space, Candy Collective.
Yeah.
But the thing is, जो हमारा concept है वो जरा different है उससे.
Yeah.
This was just collecting artists और एक studio में वो, which is not. I'm not saying it's not a part. It's kind of a link to it. But this is more about focusing on the individual artist and their studio, the process, the journey, the goods, the bads, मुश्किल बातें, अच्छी बातें, सारी बातें.
Yeah, mainly like I feel like the raw process, the messy process, because हम लोग जो काम देखते हैं galleries में, white cubes में, finished everything, there's this barrier or filter that you never get to connect with the artist on that level, or more importantly their studio practice, काम बनता कैसे, उसका process क्या है, आपका research क्या है. And I feel like हम सबका research process बड़ा unique होता है. And most importantly also हर artist वैसे तो एक तरह से काम करता ही है, but how can they be more approachable? First thing, and also the concept of artists inviting people to their studio spaces and
whoever is
encouraging
comfortable with it.
whoever is comfortable with
Because
it.
right now the only way we can meet an artist is in the gallery.
Exactly.
Yeah, हमारी university में, because our
Yeah.
teachers are artists and so on.
Yeah.
But there's no other way to reach an artist.
Yeah.
Like जब before IVS started, when I was just in college or school, I didn't even know the concept of studios.
Studios,
ठीक है?
yeah.
And देखो एक तो है कि वो एक basic traditional studio है, but एक वो होते हैं different. For example, we have so many studios who are working in sound, who are working in visuals, who are working in not just fine art visuals.
Yeah.
For example, party visuals,
Yeah.
or set design.
Very
But they're-
experimental, yeah.
And somebody specific to leather or
Yeah.
kashikari.
Yeah.
So there's a lot happening,
Happening.
but I think there's the gap कि पाकिस्तान में कुछ स्टूडियोज ऐसी जगह हैं जहाँ पे it's not reachable.
Yeah, it's not
right.
accessible.
So like what is our initial plan with Open Studios? Bushra, can you please tell our viewers?
So for the initial plan, we wanted to do something really basic. Of course, surface level, so we wanna build it. We wanted to connect people. We wanted to get everyone, all the creatives. आप पेंट करते हो, प्रिंट करते हो, एनिमेशन बनाते हैं, आप फिल्म बनाते हैं, वीडियो, कुछ भी करते हैं, कोई भी क्रिएटिव मीडियम है, उन लोगों को फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल एक पेज पे लाना, उनको कनेक्ट करना, उनके स्टूडियोज को कनेक्ट करना. एंड सेकेंड मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग इज बाय कनेक्शन आई डोंट मीन कि हम उनके साथ कनेक्ट हो जाएं या वो हमारी एक नेटवर्क या हमारी वेबसाइट में आ जाए. ऑफ कोर्स अवेलेबिलिटी इज ग्रेट, वेबसाइट पे सब अवेलेबल है, इट्स ईजियर, but उनका openness कि लोग हमारे काम को जाने, we are open to like exchanging information. There is no like, I think our primary focus was also and is also, there is no gatekeeping. There is sharing of knowledge.
अच्छा मैंने ये किया because I continuously have artists coming into my studio working with me. I really enjoy it. तो कभी कभार ऐसा हुआ है कि बहुत मतलब आर्टिस्ट ने मुझे कुछ सिखा दिया या मेरे प्रोसेस से उनने कुछ सीख लिया. You know, there's always there's like, you know, a room for improvement or learning, you know, and I feel like you know, it's a good way to, you know, continue your practice. Kabhi kabhar, you know, there are artists who have artist blocks, you know, they can go sit with their other artist friends या studio के अंदर जाएं, काम होते हुए देखें, उनको भी motivation मिलेगी, काम हो रहा है, चलो हम भी करते हैं. या कभी कभार आइडियाज ही आ जाते हैं
और उसके अलावा आई थिंक अपना कोई भी इंडिविजुअल स्टूडियो प्रैक्टिस सस्टेन करना. स्टूडियो प्रैक्टिस इज नॉट जस्ट अबाउट एक जगह ले ली एंड काम स्टार्ट किया. ऑफ कोर्स दैट इज द, यू नो, द फंडामेंटल ऑफ इट. यू नीड अ सेपरेट प्लेस टू डू इट. बट उसके बाद आपने वो प्लेस सस्टेन कैसे करनी है. देयर आर लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स. आपको फंडिंग चाहिए. ऑल्सो यू हैव टू मोनेटाइज ऑन योर I would say skill. I will not say कि you know, it's okay, it's fine, just be broke.
No. In the real world, you need money to live, which is why, you know, artists have to branch out to other things. For example,
definitely.
I teach, or like I do collaborative work with. Right now, I'm working with this architectural firm and doing collaborative work on windows. Bushra does a lot of collaborative work.
I feel like it's really important to get out of your comfort zone.
Exactly.
Because I remember she did like a thing in her bachelor's in painting and also the like your MFA in painting. But that doesn't mean that she only has to paint. So that diversifying your let's say you know, like diversifying your career, diversifying your opportunities, and more or less analyzing your opportunities is also really, really important. And I think this is what Open Studios is kind of there for everyone. And most importantly, it is a platform that we want to build and make for everyone.
For the artist community to come together, collaborate. Other than that, I think the initial what we're doing is we're kind of trying to capture different artists, their journeys, the you know, the difficulties that they have faced or how they've overcome it, and like, you know, कि सही है art world में तो आ गए, अब आगे कैसे करना है, क्या करना है, you know, because sometimes हम लोग भी lost feel करते हैं. To be very honest.
That is so true.
But the main thing is you just have to keep going. Other than that, Bushra?
That's the advice. I mean, we also give to each other. Keep making work.
Just keep going. Just keep going.
Just keep going. Keep making work. And that's exactly how we also met Noor.
Yes.
Yeah.
So Noor is basically, we are three founders, Bushra, Zishan Malik, Noor Fatma, and myself, Hafsa Moeen. So Noor was with me in Rome, so she has also seen the Open Studios Rome idea in person. And you know, we all got together and we're like, okay, Pakistan needs this. So she's based in Islamabad, we're based in Karachi. We have you know, a team of a few artists who've gotten together, and you know, we're all over Karachi. Pakistan. So we're all over Pakistan. And yeah,
that's where exactly also the sense of community also
yes
comes. Don't put yourself ever like in a box when you're trying to do something like this. I mean, we were just like, okay, Hafsa has this idea. She brought the idea to me. Then we like pitched this to like 2-3 other people. I was like, are you on board? We're about to do this. We are kind of thinking
and
of
I
this
think
as a
everyone
movement.
who spoke to was really open about it.
It
was a great idea because हम लोग ने artists से ही बात की थी इसके बारे में.
For sure.
Obviously you talk to people who are in your industry.
But
खैर उसके अलावा let's talk about what अभी तो immediate we're highlighting
connecting
artists, doing podcasts with some about their journey, their studio practice and so on. But in the long run, what we plan to do with Open Studios Pakistan is we're going to have open calls. Not the one that we're going to be posting soon. There's going to be another open call.
Which is going to be like annually. So just once a year, because we believe in really, because we have really worked on this platform, have really given it a lot of thought, and everything is intentional in this. And even with the open call, we really tend to highlight and bring the studios into, kind of the public eye. And most importantly, accessibility, I feel like, is really important.
Yes. And
Awareness
in
के
today's
हिसाब से भी.
day and age, having the Wi-Fi and social media,
Yeah.
so all these studios can easily connect. There can be a platform where वहाँ पे हैं, सबको पता हो कि क्या हो रहा है किस स्टूडियो में और किस चीज के लिए स्टूडियोज हैं कि नए emerging artists के लिए it can be a pathway that we're building. Other than that, in the future, coming back to that, annually हमारा अभी तो हमारा जो open call जो होगी, that's all remote, ठीक है, but जो हमारा other open call है, that's going to actually be physical events. Again, that will happen once annually. And it's going to be people coming to that artist studio. It's going to be you have to show us your studio, you talk about your studio practice, about your art journey, your artwork, themes you follow, and so on. ठीक है, वो in person होगा. Eventually we will put up details about that, you will find out, but right now we are focusing on highlighting and doing podcasts and making people aware of the different type of studios that exist in Pakistan.
I think that's really interesting. I think for past for as long as I remember, we both remember practicing, this gap has been there, and I think it's really cool and interesting to connect with all these people, and I'm really excited to genuinely know about more studios.
I know.
And as as we have started this, we got so many messages that this really cool studio we found in Multan, and remember we had a conversation that night. We were going through the person's Instagram, and of course, with things like social media and Instagram, you said it's so easy to access people, but then again, there's so much on internet that it just gets lost in the sauce.
Definitely.
So I think वो niche, वो community build करना बड़ा जरूरी है.
I mean, it's a long journey, but we're here for it.
Yeah, we are here for it, and
we're ready for it.
Baby steps.
Hey guys, so just to wrap it up, Bushra, what would you like to say?
I think bringing, most importantly, building this bridge between creators and people, emerging artists, people who don't know anything about art but are enthusiastic, are curious. So this platform is for them. आप किसी भी level पे practice कर रहे हो, छोटी कर रहे हो, बड़ी कर रहे हो, एक कमरे का आपका studio हो. But you have that drive, and you want to reach out to us, show us your work,
Instagram message us, we have our email up, you can email us, anything, reach out, send us some pictures of your studio, send us a paragraph long about your practice, your studio journey, and we'll reach out to you.
I think that's really just that. It's all about openness and being open to you share your knowledge with us, and we are here to share our knowledge with
and
you,
our platform
with you. No rules and regulations, just creative people getting together.
Creative people getting together, respect each other, we're all collaborating, and
I mean, that's how really the community thrives.
This is all about the artist community, and you wanted to build something together, inshallah.
Really excited and looking forward to it. And
I think we're gonna wrap up.
Let's
stay tuned to our stories, our posts.
Thank you for listening, and I hope you guys have a good day, I guess.
Guys, have a great day. Bye.